Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Daniela, the sales engineer, and I'm here with Zach, our sales director. Today we're going to walk you through the effortless setup of our MGM series Harmonic Rotary Actuator with the Synapticon Drive. If you want to learn more about our MGM series, click above to watch our previous video. In this video, we'll guide you through a quick setup process to maximize efficiency. How easy is it to set up the MGM, Zach?
The MGM series actuator is designed for quick and easy installation. With a straightforward setup process, you can be up and running in just minutes. The streamlined design ensures a hassle-free experience.
What simplifies the setup process?
The setup is simplified with a single field bus cable that connects your PC to multiple SOLINET nodes. This eliminates complex wiring, making communication and control straightforward and efficient.
Is updating the firmware a complicated process?
No, not at all. So updating the firmware is simple and flexible. You can update individual nodes or all at once, ensuring your system remains up to date with minimal effort.
Is there guidance available during setup?
Yes, the setup wizard in OBLAC Drive tools provides step-by-step assistance. It automatically detects configuration errors and offers clear solutions to ensure a smooth and error-free setup.
How does the MGM system ensure precise motion control?
The MGM system incorporates auto-tuning with dominant pole placement and system identification. This generates precise parameters for accurate motion control. You can learn more in the video linked on screen.
Can I test and adjust the system before full deployment?
Yes, the system allows testing in torque, speed, or precision mode. Advanced tools like math function, triggers, recording, and graphical evaluation help fine-tune the performance before full-scale implementation.
What is the OBLAC tool and how does it assist?
The OBLAC tool is essential for setting up the MGM systems. It allows connectivity via Wi-Fi or a local area network, offering flexibility and ease of use. You can access all actuator parameters and optimize system performance.
Why should someone choose the MGM series for their system?
The MGM series stands out for its quick setup, user-friendly tools, and maximum efficiency. With features like a single cable connection, safe auto-tuning, and advanced evaluation tools, it's the ideal choice for enhancing any motion control system.
Thank you for watching and thank you for this great overview, Zach. If you're interested in this product, check the contact details on the screen or in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.